and welcome to my little corner. Once again, I'm here with my husband and with the Universal Yums box, and this box comes from the Philippines. Fun fact, my husband is from the Philippines.
Yay.
So are you excited about this box?
Kind of, yeah.
Just kind of?
Yeah.
Let's open up the box of goodness. And welcome to the Philippines. We're gonna give the awards at the end of this video, so we're gonna put this aside for now. We have a little booklet with fun facts and information about each snack. So let's dive in. First up, we have these potato fries, baked, not fried, and it is tomato ketchup flavor.
I've never seen it.
You've never seen this
No.
before? Okay, ketchup fries. These look like the Cheetos that I had in Portugal, which look like this, and they're ketchup. So I'm kind of excited about this one. This bag is 1/4 of fries, and the rest is all empty. I don't know what's the point of this bag. There's literally 1/3 of the bag of fries.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, these are like my Cheetos.
Really? Good. What?
These are the Cheetos I keep telling you about.
Oh, is it? Oh, they're good. So that's
Oh
what
my
you
god,
like.
I'm
Okay.
so happy right now. I can believe there's only 1/3 of the bag.
So that's the Cheetos that you're talking about.
Basically, in Portugal, we have these Cheetos that America does not have, and it's ketchup flavored. And they're like my favorite chips, but you guys don't have it here, and I can't find it. And this thing, it looks and it tastes exactly like it.
Okay. Now we know.
Okay, we gotta find this here somewhere.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of.
We have a lot of Filipino markets, so we gotta go hunt for these.
Yeah.
I just can't believe there's so little fries inside of this. I'm so happy right now. This is totally unexpected.
Okay, but I still think the Cheetos here is better.
The Cheetos here kind of suck. They're like hard and thin, and like there's not much to it, but I love these.
Yeah, the texture here is better. I like the puffy ones though, the puffy Cheetos here.
Okay, let's move on. Next up, I see these cheesy corn crunch, cheddar, and jalapeno. Sorry. So these says outrageously spicy and cheesy.
Oh man.
I do not like spicy, so let's see how this goes. Okay, these look like Cheetos, the American Cheetos. They look weird. Okay. It says corn crunch, so
That's good. I like this better than that one. I like this
doesn't
more.
this taste like
I like
Cheetos?
I like this more.
It's like
than
a
that.
spicy Cheetos, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
This is way not even the hot Cheetos here is way more spicy than those. Spicy.
Yeah, it says outrageously spicy.
This is
but
like mild.
It's not out. It's even fine for me, and I'm very sensitive to spice. So
Wow.
Yeah.
I don't even taste
it's not
any spice.
outrageously.
I
at
don't
all.
taste any spice. Maybe.
There's nothing outrageous about it. Next up, we have something purple and fun, I guess. Pillows ube filled crackers. Do you like ube?
I'm familiar with the flavor. I wasn't the biggest fan of that flavor.
It looks like a little cereal almost.
Purple cereal.
I can really describe this flavor. I mean,
I think I like it.
it's alright, it's sweet,
Yeah.
but it's edible. But it's not a big deal. Okay, next up we have a little cupcake. Choko Mocha Cupcake. Okay, I want you to see how cupcake is spelled.
Cupcake.
Can you see this? This is an original way to spell cupcake.
Cake. Yeah, I get it.
It's just a chocolate cupcake. I mean, it's kind of dry.
This is good. I like this.
It's just a chocolate cupcake. Moving on, we have...
That I know.
Oh, he knows this one.
I know that one.
How do you say this?
I used to. Oh, wait, I bought this when we went to the
But
store.
not the barbecue flavor. These are
Yeah, there's
barbecue
different flavor.
flavor.
It's the same ones.
Baked corn.
Yeah.
Boy bawang.
Bawang.
Bawang. Okay,
I like
just
those.
looks like corn nuts.
I even bought this over there at the store.
Well, it tastes like corn nuts, but
Oh, this is a barbecue flavor.
barbecue flavor.
I like it. I always like these.
I think I like the regular corn nuts more
Okay.
than the barbecue. Okay, next up, we have another pack of chips.
I know that one too.
Oh, you know this one too?
Yeah.
And this is Clover chips, chili and cheese flavored corn snack.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I remember that shape too.
So it looks like little like a chip cup. Ooh.
Yeah, I remember this.
It's just like cheese, yeah. And there's
I like them.
a little spice in there. Yeah, I can feel the spicy in this one. This is more spicy than the outrageously spicy snack. We have two of the same, so we're just gonna open one. Extreme Choko coated Choko biscuits with Choko filling.
That looks good though.
That is good.
This is good.
It's just like a chocolate cookie slash biscuit. It's like a mix of a cookie and a biscuit. It's like somewhere in between. Okay, we have some repetitions here. So I'm gonna take
Oh, remember that powdery
Okay, Polvoron. Yeah, that's the name of those biscuits from Spain, right? I
Yeah.
told you my mom used to love
yeah,
them.
this is the one that reminded me of.
These are like the same thing. One of them is called Pinipig. Is this a Filipino word? Or
Pinipig.
Pinipig? Polvoron Manila Shortbread. So this one is white. And then there's another one that's ube. So,
Oh, so that's the flavor then, right?
I guess.
So
I don't know what Pinipig is.
Ube is a flavor, and so is this flavor.
Oh, that just flew away.
There's so much good snacks here.
No. No.
You just like the.
The texture on its own is already a no. I just don't like that texture. It's like a very crumbly, melt in your mouth kind of cookie that is just weird.
Like, yeah, this is not my favorite. I don't know.
I'm sure I don't like this one either.
I've had this before though,
Oh.
of a different flavor.
Honestly, I don't know what flavor that is. It's like
That's
a
what it
vanilla.
says.
Maybe it's a vanilla.
Whatever
Kind
this
of.
is, I don't like the flavor. But I've had Polvoron in a different flavor.
Well, one contains pieces of pinipig, a toasted sticky rice originating in the
Oh.
Philippines. So pinipig is sticky rice.
Oh,
Okay. Well, I'm sure I don't like this one, but for the sake of the video, we're still gonna take a bite of it.
rice.
So this one is the same thing, but ube flavored, because you guys like the ube.
I think this flavor is popular there too.
You know, it's not even the flavor, it's the texture of this cookie. It's almost like sand, you know, it just flows out of it. crumbles in a way, just weird.
Okay, what's next?
And we're down to the last little packet here. That was quick. So is Mr. Maize, Mr. Queso, and Mr. Buco.
I think coconut.
Okay, let's check. Is it infused with a local Southeast Asian plant called pandan? Pandan? Pandan?
Pandan, I think.
Is a spiky green plant. So that's the buco. The maize is probably corn. Yeah. And then the queso is cheese. So.
Oh, okay.
I'm not a fan of chewy candy because they're like caramel.
Me too.
So.
Oh, I think this is the kind you have to leave in your mouth and just chew it.
I don't want to do that.
I know.
I don't like the texture because it's caramel texture, what I don't like. But the taste is actually alright.
I like the taste, yeah.
So this one is corn. Not a big fan of corn either.
I like corn.
The other one is stuck to my teeth. I don't like the corn.
I don't like this.
I actually like the flavor of the green one, but
Yeah, the green one was better than this.
I don't like the corn. Now we're gonna try the cheese one.
I hope this is better than all of them.
Well, that just jumped out.
It took a while for the flavor to come to finally get there.
I can't even, it's just on my teeth. I don't know why people like this. Okay, we tried all the candies and now it's time to cast our votes. Okay, so my favorite yum is without a doubt my fried potato fries, ketchup flavored, which tastes exactly like my longing Cheetos back at home that I miss so much, so I'm very excited about that. I need to find that here somewhere. And the worst yum for me is the, wait, which one was it? The Mr. Maize. It's chewy and it's corn and I don't like it. The runner-up for me is the chocolate cookie biscuit. And the most unusual yum for me is the ube pillows. I think they're the most unusual out of all of this because I think, you know, they look like cereal and they're purple, and ube on its own is an unusual flavor. So yeah, those are my votes, and now your votes.
This is my favorite yummy. The cheesy corn crunch.
So his favorite is his style of Cheetos. That looks like Cheetos.
Runner up is this. I've had this. This is corn, baked corn. Like these.
That's the runner up.
We both had the same worst. And we both had the same most unusual.
Oh, okay. So those are our votes. What did you think about this box?
This box overall is the only ones I don't like really is these, and this is just
yeah.
So and then everything else is yummy.
So
yeah.
Basically, this was an unexpected good surprise.
Yeah.
I had no expectations for this box. I thought I was gonna hate everything, but in the end, it turned out I only really don't like two of the things, like the pulverons and this little chewy things.
Yeah.
There's other boxes that we tried before that were most of it bad,
Yeah.
so I'm very surprised about this one.
Good.
And the last thing for this video is we're gonna reveal the clue for the next box next month. So here is the next clue, okay? In the land of the palms, they've got it all. Jungles and dances and lots of football. And let's not forget all the yums you can taste. Sweet bread, hot peppers, and creamy nut paste. Land of the palms, jungles, and football.
I know that. That's Hawaii.
Wait. Hawaii
Yeah.
itself is not a country. It's a state.
Oh! Hello?
Then it would be
You're right.
United States.
No, it's not Hawaii then because
It's not
it's
USA.
supposed to be a country.
Would this be USA?
No, they wouldn't be. They wouldn't be. Doing just Hawaii to represent the USA.
I mean, it's not just Hawaii. I mean, it could be the whole America.
No,
That's-
they're not known for palm trees. Though.
Okay, land of the palm. There's jungles though. Jungles and dances and lots of football. They said football and not soccer, so okay, we cannot seem to figure this one out. We usually figure it out.
No idea.
That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching us try these snacks. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe because I will see you next time. Bye bye.